Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from invoices that come to your Gmail into your Notion database. So the first step that we need to do in Zapier is create a trigger. That means the Zap will react on this event. In this case our event is new attachment, not new email, new attachment. And here we need to select our mailbox. Typically, we highly recommend you to use a special mailbox called invoices at bitskout.com or invoices@yourcompany.com. That would be easier to track. So right now I will put a search string because I'm using in this example my personal mailbox, and I need to put some conditions to take the email that I have prepared for this demo. Okay, and basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a filter. Just to get the file that I want to show you how it works. In your case, you don't need a filter because you're probably going to attach it to a mailbox where only invoices come in. So let's test the trigger. Okay, so here is our test. You see, is my test email. So the next step is to use Bitskout plugin. And in this case, you don't need a special plugin. You don't need to create anything. You just want to use a direct action. Direct action means that it's gonna execute extraction data from invoice without the need to create a plugin. Bitskout will do it automatically. Okay, now let's choose an account, and then here we need to choose the file URL. In this case, you need to choose attachment exists but not shown. It means this is a direct file. Okay, and let's run a simple test. Okay, so here is our data, and then the next step is to choose where we want data to appear. In this case it will be Notion, and the event in this case would be create a database item. Then you need to choose an account. I will choose mine, and then you need to choose a database. Database in Notion look like this. Okay, so this is my database, and it's called invoices, and here I just need to add the data. So here I will add a file name, then vendor, and basically map all data. Okay. Okay, so let's test our action. So what will happen? The invoice will appear here. Okay, so here it is. What's important is we have also the vendor assigned automatically, it means that we can map directly our fields. So let me show you once again. Let's update this a little bit. Okay, so let's add a date as well. Vendor category. So let's add a currency. And in this case, let's take currency directly from Bitskout. Okay. So So let's run the test once again, and you will see here it appeared as a drop down. So this means that whatever data you extract, you can directly map it into your Notion database, and you can get all your invoices here in just a few clicks. The Zap will work for any new attachment to your mailbox that you have set up. Thanks a lot for your time.